Section 1.1. An example information retrieval problem. A fat book which many people own is Shakespeare's collected works. We are taking an example of Shakespeare's collected works. Suppose you wanted to determine which plays of Shakespeare contain the words Brutus and Caesar and not Calpurnia. Since we are trying to give an example of information retrieval problem, we are taking the example of Shakespeare's collected works. Here the problem is we wanted to determine which plays of Shakespeare contain the words Brutus and Caesar and not Calpurnia. We want to retrieve information which plays of Shakespeare contain the words Brutus and Caesar and not Calpurnia from the Shakespeare's collected works. Here this statement is written in this form, Brutus and Caesar and not Calpurnia. This is called a Boolean query. This query contains and not. This statement means we want to find the plays of Shakespeare which contain the words Brutus and Caesar and any word but not Calpurnia. One way to do that is to start at the beginning and to read through all the text, noting for each play whether it contains Brutus and Caesar and excluding it from consideration if it contains Calpurnia. One way to do this is to start at the beginning and to read through all the text, noting for each play whether it contains Brutus and Caesar. We read through all the text and note for each play whether it contains Brutus and Caesar and reject it if it contains Calpurnia and take it if it does not contain Calpurnia. The simplest form of document retrieval is for a computer to do this sort of linear scan through documents. The simplest form of document retrieval is a linear search. Is for a computer to do this sort of linear scan through documents. Linear search algorithm takes big O of n time. This process is commonly referred to as grepping through text. After the Unix command grep, which performs this process. This process is called grepping after grep, Unix command grep. Grepping through text can be a very effective process, especially given the speed of modern computers. The time taken by a linear search algorithm to search something in a particular text is big O of n. That means as the size increases, the time also increases. But since modern computers are very fast, grepping through text can be very fast and often allows useful possibilities for wildcard pattern matching through the use of regular expressions. Grepping also allows for wildcard pattern matching through regular expressions. With modern computers, for simple querying of modest collections, the size of Shakespeare's collected works is a bit under 1 million words of text in total. You really need nothing more. For simple querying of modest collections, for simple querying of 1 million words with modern computers, we need nothing more.